it's Holly here. So today is gonna be a little different. I'm doing an unboxing video. So I'm unboxing these Sony WH-1000XM4s. Long name. I actually have headphones already. They're the Bose Quiet Comforts, but these have been glitching as of late, so it was time for me to get a new pair, and this is what I settled with. So I actually went with the black color this time. I have these cream colored ones, which I'm still probably gonna wear for aesthetic purposes, but these are gonna be my new gym headphones, my new going out headphones, and I kind of don't want to get them really dirty, so I've got the black pair this time. It's time to unbox them. The box is really well packaged, surprisingly. I couldn't find a box cutter, so I had to use scissors, but that's okay, because I'm being careful. I can't figure out how to open it. Maybe it's packaged a little too well. Oh my goodness. Like a girl is struggling. The carrying box is smaller than I originally anticipated, but that's really a good thing, so I can take it from easily. It does feel very durable though, so that's good. Having that bronze gold design is very good. It's very sleek. The foldable design of the headphones is very nice for travel and very efficient. Here are all the buttons you'll need: your custom button, power button. I think that's really it. The rest is touch. It comes with a headphone cable so you can plug it into your computer, a travel adapter for when you fly, and then just a regular USB-C charger. Alright guys, these are the headphones. I really like the accent color. That's really sleek and cute. I'll show you what they look like on. Cute. I'm gonna turn them on now and see how the noise canceling sounds without anything playing. Wait, how do you turn these on? Turn them on. And it looks like you can even customize what your sound is gonna sound like. I'm gonna connect them. Whoa. Whoa. I'm not even playing anything and I can't tell. Wow, that's crazy. These ones have this active transparency mode where if you put your hand on your right ear cup, it basically lets you hear everything. It's kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. I can't hear. Now I can. What? So I'm gonna go ahead and connect them to my phone. This is it right here. Ignore all my Bluetooth stuff. Whoa. All you found is one more. Alright, so I just figured out the touch controls. So if you scroll up, you go volume up. If you scroll down, it's volume down. If you go back, it goes back a song. If you go this way, it skips forward a song, and then you double tap to start it. Double tap to stop it. If you put your hand over it, it goes into transparency mode. Oh, I figured it out on accident, but it's easy. It's easy. I bet you're wondering, why would you get the XM4s when the XM5s are out? Stop. Already had the XM5s before and I did not like them. They were uncomfortable. The noise canceling, it didn't work for me. They sounded worse than the XM4s by a landslide. These sound way better. Don't regret my decision. I'm gonna give it a test run, but these are better than the XM5s in my own personal opinion, for me. I'm gonna do a quick sound comparison of my Bose ones versus my Sony ones. After testing the sound on both of these, comfortability go to the Bose ones. Noise canceling at low sound levels, like I could have these on like barely any volume at all, and the noise canceling was amazing. Versus these, they had to be like 50% to fully cancel out all noise. But if you have like sensitive ears like me, it makes a difference. These ones are not as comfortable as I originally anticipated, especially after wearing these. But the sound quality makes up for it because it sounds really good. The bass on my Bose ones are better, I'm not gonna lie. But these have overall a better sound quality. Like when I'm listening to songs that are just more balanced and well-rounded, these take the cake. 100%, they sounded really good. That's what I think. Now I'm finna deco these ones. All right, that's all guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.